I hope you're doing well. Today's video is about an SLT Mobitel Pocket Wi-Fi router. A friend of ours, who is from Sri Lanka, reached out to us. This friend got our number from YouTube and contacted us asking us to unlock this router. So this video is actually recorded online as you're watching it now. You can see that our friend has inserted a Dialog 4G network SIM into it. However, this router is from SLT Mobitel, and it's not supporting that network. So today, with the help of software flashing, we'll make this router capable of working on all networks. We'll share the complete unlocking process with you. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss anything. Here you can see all the details of this model, the router's model number, the software version, and also the SIM number of the Dialog network SIM we've inserted. Right now, this SIM is not working. We'll perform software flashing on it and bring this same SIM into working condition, and we'll show you live proof. Remember, friends, to unlock this router, we have to physically open it, short its test points, enable its port, and flash it in boot mode. This is a router with the latest version, so opening it is necessary. As you can see on the screen right now, we have opened the router, and I'm pointing out the 2 points here. You need to short them to enable its port. Now you can see that its port is enabled, and now using this port, we will carry out the software flashing process. This might take a little time, so you'll need to wait here for a bit. Friends, we're actually unlocking this router remotely via AnyDesk. If you also have any Wi-Fi router that you want to unlock for all networks, our number is shown on the screen. Contact us on WhatsApp right now and get any router unlocked from the comfort of your home. For online unlocking, you must have a laptop or computer with an internet connection. We'll connect to you via AnyDesk, TeamViewer, or UltraViewer to get your job done. Then you can run any SIM of your choice. Our charges are quite reasonable, and you can easily pay them to get your work done. If you need to buy any software, you can also contact us. You'll get any Wi-Fi router unlocking firmware or any software you need from us. Alhamdulillah, our router has been successfully unlocked. Now you can see that where it previously showed SIM lock code or unlocked device no service status, now it shows the Dialog 4G network and we have 4G signal as well. This router can now be used on any network and you can use it in any country. This video was shown as proof that you can get any Wi-Fi router unlocked online from us at a very low cost, and you won't have to run around in markets. Simply connect your Wi-Fi router to your own laptop, contact us, and get it done in just a few minutes. I hope, friends, you were satisfied with our service. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and stay connected with us to remain updated in the world of internet devices and routers. If you work with software, this channel will be a source of learning for you. Inshallah, you'll learn many things here. For now, allow us to take leave. Remember us in your prayers. Take great care of yourselves, and goodbye.